What's up mga ka-trends? Here's today's update of the NY couple. Today, on the Dex activity na Decogimia is now at sports club again to have some exercise on his free time. Decogimia uploaded his cute video clips and photos that he is enjoying and making fun at the gym. The Decogimia captioned it, check in. Dex spends time at the gym while his girlfriend, Rosaya, is on taping and completing the Cherry Amore episode with her new leading man on the screen. The Academia checking all of the stuff after he had a long work in the month of November till the first week of December. The Academia compiled all videos that look so funny after joining all the session. Dex supports Rosaya and Rosa's peer band was so happy today for another work and another blessing by the year of 2024. Then my couple has Manila to do work before they cut their spotlight to their marriage by the year of 2025.